Want to switch between dark and light mode on X? Follow this tutorial to easily change the display mode to suit your preference. Open the X app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. At the bottom of the settings menu, you'll see an icon of a moon with a star. Tap on that icon. Here you will find options for dark mode and light mode. Choose the mode you prefer. Since I had dark mode enabled before, I will now turn it off by tapping on off. If you select dark mode, you can also choose between dim and lights out options for a darker display. Your display mode will change immediately. Enjoy browsing X in your preferred mode. Thank you for following us. For more helpful tutorials and digital news, be sure to subscribe to our channel.